change your password on your Temu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on you down here. So when you click here on you, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go above here settings, you click on it. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account security, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to password, click here on add. So when you just click here on add here and password, then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switching to open with you. So then here add your password in this list here. Then you click here on send. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.